Hello everyone, you are all welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is peppered goat meat, also known as Asun in Yoruba language. So I am going to show you how I made this delicious one. Make sure you watch from the start till the end because you are going to love it. Alright, let's get started. So in my pot, I already have my washed goat's meat. I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm going to also add onions. I used the red onions on this one. You can use any onions of your choice. This is just the one I have at the moment or at home. So I added my thyme and seasoning powder. I added salt and a little amount of water, just a little amount of water so that when it's cooking it won't burn. So I'm going to stir carefully or thoroughly and then cover to let cook. And I have my red bell pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper, also known as fresh pepper. I am going to grind that later. As you can see, my goat's meat is ready. I'm going to take it out and use my hair fryer to roast the goat's meat. Yes, you can use the hair fryer or the oven or your barbecue grill. So I added some oil in my frying pan and then I added onions. After adding the onions, I added my pepper mix, the red bell pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to let it fry till it is properly cooked. And then as you can see, my goat's meat is still not ready. I'm still going to let it on the air fryer for a little while, and I added my seasoning again. Wow, this seasoning is hard, so I couldn't break it. I just put it like that, and as you can see, it melted later on in the food. So I stir carefully, and then as you can see, the pepper is ready, is cooked, and my goat meat is already grilled like how I want it to be. As you can see, it is very brown, and I also cut it in smaller pieces because when it's too big you would not enjoy it. So I added the goat's meat to the pepper, which I've already cooked or which is already cooked, and now I'm going to stir carefully, and as you can see, it is almost getting ready. So I am going to add my sliced onions and green pepper as well. Guys, this process or part is very important. Okay, it is very important to do that, like let the onions be in the Asun like how I did it. Okay, and yes, as you can see, that's it guys, my peppered goat's meat Asun is ready. That's how I prepared this delicious recipe you are seeing here. Please, if you like this video, don't keep it to yourself. Help me to share it, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok with the same name, Mama Triple N. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Look at this. It looks so beautiful and inviting. Of course, it is also very, very delicious. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. All right, bye for now.